In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Thinkorswim font size. If you've ever found the text in Thinkorswim a little too small on a high-resolution monitor, or a bit too large and taking up precious screen space, adjusting the font size can make the platform far more comfortable and efficient to use. We'll walk through the exact path to change it, and I'll explain what you can expect to see, so you feel confident making the update. Start by opening Thinkorswim and directing your attention to the very top right corner of the platform window. Look for the setup icon, which appears as a small gear. This is the control center for platform-wide preferences. Click that gear to open a drop-down menu of options that affect how Thinkorswim behaves and looks. From that menu, select Application Settings. This opens a dedicated settings window where you can personalize the environment to match your workflow. You don't need to touch anything else here. We're heading to the visual side of the preferences. Inside Application Settings, go to the Look and Feel tab. This section is specifically designed for appearance-related choices. Things like themes, highlights, and most importantly for us, text size. If you're ever unsure where color or interface adjustments live, this is the tab to remember. Now find the font size setting. You'll see straightforward options such as medium, large, and larger. Choose the one that best suits your screen and eyesight. As a general rule, medium works well on standard displays, while large or larger can help on 4K or ultra-wide monitors, or if you're presenting and need more on-screen visibility. This change affects most of the platform interface, including watchlists, menus, and many labels, so pick a size that balances readability with how much information you want to see at once. Once you've made your selection, click Apply to make the change take effect. You should see the text update right away without needing to restart. If the new size feels cramped or, on the flip side, still too small, you can return to the same setting and choose a different option until it feels just right. Keep in mind that going too large may cause some panels to show less content, while going too small can strain your eyes over long sessions. That's all there is to it. Click the Setup gear, open Application Settings, head to Look and Feel, pick a font size, and click Apply. A few seconds of adjustment can dramatically improve comfort and clarity as you analyze charts, scan watch lists, and manage trades. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more readable Thinkorswim workspace.